Today we're going to learn how to make a shallow origami box. We're going to learn how to fold a useful shallow origami box. This variation of the origami masu box is simple and easy to make with one sheet of square paper. This method of making a shallow origami box is the exact same as the regular origami masu box. There is only a tiny difference. Alright, so if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you how to get one real quick right now. If you're a child doing this, get an adult or parent to help you right now, because you're going to be needing scissors. If you only have regular sheets of paper, you can just fold it diagonally like this, nice and even, to a nice point down here. And then you're going to want to cut off this flap up here. Cut all that off. And then you end up with a piece of paper like this. Now, I've taken the liberty of cutting myself a bunch of them ahead of time. So, let's get started. Alright, first we're going to take the bottom edge, we're going to fold it up to the top. You're going to unfold that, and you're going to fold it the other way. And you're going to unfold that, you're going to flip it over, so that way you got all the points upwards. And you're going to take all four corners, you're going to fold them in. The more even your folds are, the better your product's going to turn out at the end. Now, got all four corners folded inwards. Next, we're going to take the bottom and top edge and we're going to fold it to that center line. But when you do that, you're going to only want to pinch the sides. Do not fold it in the center. Leave the center nice and clean. So just pinch just the sides. Then do the same for the other. And just pinch the sides, nothing in the middle. So just the sides. Now we're going to take that. And we're going to do this to all four sides. But we're going to take this, we're going to fold this up to meet that line we just made. Same with this one. We're going to fold this up to meet that line we just made. Then we're going to unfold that. Now we're going to repeat that on the other two sides. So line it up to the middle and only fold at the edges. Do not fold in the center. Do not crease the center. Do the same with the other side. Do not crease it in the center, just at the edges. Now we're going to take and we're going to fold that up to to that center line we just made. And same with the other side. And we're going to unfold that. We're going to open out the left and right flaps now. Now we're going to refold the top and bottom fold. So now you have it just like that. Next, we're going to open out the top and bottom edges to become a box. At the same time, lift the right section. So we're going to take and unfold that, and then just do that. So we're going to take it, let me show you up close. I'm going to fold it inwards like that, and then fold it around, all nice and even. And then there you go. Straighten out your edges. And I like to take a piece of tape, just a small little piece, just to hold in the center. And there you go. And if you wanted a lid or to close it, you can do the same thing. Just when you're making these folds for the outer edge, you make them a little bit thinner. That way the box is a little wider, and then you can fit it on top like a lid. Now your shallow origami box is complete. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this.